Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new wholesale box. I have it from Honcho Liquidation. It's my first time ordering from them, so I'm really excited to see what I got. Here on top they have the receipt here. And so this is a woman's plus size apparel for primarily fall and winter. The manufacturer sales retail price is $1,456. I paid $150 and it's 25 items in this box to total out to about $6 a piece. So let's see what I got. Off the top, this is from Style & Co. Everything is supposed to be new with tags, okay? Oh, I actually have it backwards. So we have this turtleneck top here, red, and it's actual, it's a 1X and it's a thermal knit. And the original price was $44.50. Here we have a pair of slim leg high-rise tummy control pants in a pretty emerald green. Okay. Size 24 wide. And these are from Macy's. So sometimes when the ticket gets damaged or gets taken off or might have been returned, they reticket it. But this one, it wasn't returned because they would have a return ticket. So the original price is $59. So probably either when it got shipped, the tag came off, or probably just came off from being on the sales floor. This is a pretty green. Okay. Oh, isn't it so pretty? It's like a blush color top. This actually will be good for the spring. Long sleeve by Charter Club. It's a 3X. And the original price, $46.50. That's a pretty top. Oh my gosh. I'm going to try not to keep any of these for myself because as you can see, I'm a plus size girl myself. This is a 16W legging, mid-rise in a chocolate brown color. But it's kind of like a jegging because it has pockets on the back. You see that? See those pockets? It might be coming up black on camera, but it's actually a chocolate brown. Comfort waist. Original price, $38.50. Next item is by Celebrity Pink. High-rise ankle skinny in a size 22, and the regular price is $64. And these are black with the little side racer kind of strip on the side. Right. See here, this is by Style & Co. size 2X. Little 3/4 length sleeve top with buttons in the middle, V-neck, but you can also make it a little bit longer. It has a button sleeve. It doesn't have a smell to it, so that means it was kept well in the warehouse. Regular price, $49.50. Here, ooh, this looks nice and cozy. A little tunic sweater. Oh, it's a cardigan. Okay. By Style & Co. It's a size 1X. Let's guess the price at $60. Oh, $89.50. So this box has a lot of bottoms in it, which is shocking because a lot of times when people do these liquidations, it's mainly tops. Skinny leg, 14 wide, comfort waist by, is it Style & Co? No, it's Alfani. I'm sorry. No, 14 wide. So I do like that it has this elastic base. And it originally priced for $79.50. And it's in a pretty wine color. So I will have to get these up now. But you have people who like this kind of color even in off seasons. Here's another. It's a nice filling top, perfect for. It's actually good for spring. It's flowers. It's kind of like a lightweight top. It's V-neck, size 1X, Style & Co. And this is going for $56.50. Next up, this is Karen Scott, and it's a cardigan. It's a nice pretty cardigan. Colors, fuchsia. Okay. And it's kind of 3/4 sleeve with the button up on the end, so you could probably unbutton this. Price, we're going to say $60. Price is $42.50. Wow. It's a, hold on. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Here we go. Nice little dress here by New York Collection. Size 2X. Original price is $70. And it's navy blue. It's nice and long. It's a maxi. Okay. Uh-oh. It's a little stain. But I think we could get it out. It looks like it's just something that just popped on it. So I might be able to get that off. Next item. Every time I say next item, I kind of want to say next item up for bid as if I'm on Price is Right. Oh, wow. So it comes with the shawl as a 2-piece. And it's a maxi dress. Okay. And it is in a size, it says L, but it says L20. I don't know what that means. But this piece comes down past the dress. It's kind of, wait a minute, guys. Hold on. There. Here we go. Now that's better. You see that? So sorry about that. It took me a minute to figure that one out because I thought it was a shawl. Like, I thought it was a shawl that went over it. I thought that, you know, whatever. So the original price for this by City Chic is a size 20. Original price is $89. All right. Okay, this is another one that would be good for spring. Even though it says fall, winter, I think this would be really pretty for spring. Do you see this? This is pretty. My goodness. Look at that. With the peplum sleeve. I mean, hello. This is pretty. And it is a size, hold on. It's a size 1X. I believe it said. Yep, 1X by Alfani. And the regular price is $74.50. Nice little V-neck sweater. You know, these pieces are actually good pieces for transitioning into the spring as well, or into the fall. Okay. It's a lightweight sweater with rib sleeve. Looks like it's 3/4 length sleeve. Size is 1X and the regular price is $56.50. Alright, skinny leg tummy control, black, 20 wide is the size, and the regular price is $79.50. And oh, wait a minute, I missed something. It has a velvet strip on the detail. Let me see if I can see that. It's nice. Oh, okay. Thought I might have had 2 of these. So one thing I'm noticing is that I don't have any repeat pieces. So all these are the same thing, or maybe I haven't gotten deep in the box yet. This is by Karen Scott, 1X. 3/4 length. I know it's say fall and winter, but I think these would actually be good from transitioning from winter to spring because of the colors. So when it's like maybe 50 degrees, this would be a good top to wear with maybe some slacks for work or a pair of jeans. Looking for the tag, y'all. I wrapped the tag up. Hold on. I wrapped the tag up. Hold on. It is 1X and the original price is $12.98. Here's another same price. This is a 0X, so that means it's kind of like a 0X or maybe an extra large, or it might be a little bit bigger than an extra large. And this is actually short sleeve. So yeah, this would be good for the spring. So this is the next one. I'm assuming it's Karen Scott since they all kind of have the same theme. It's a V-neck. It's a 1X, and yes, it is Karen Scott. And the original price is $12.98. This is Style & Co. straight leg, and it looks like it is either black or a really, really dark blue. In size 16 WP, which is 16 wide petite. Original price is $59. Okay. Karen Scott, size 3X. Original price is $54.50. Well, this is a little cardigan, but it can go as a top too. All right, this is the last row. So this is Karen Scott, long sleeve black, kind of knit or thermal kind of feel. That cable, it's like a I say thermal kind of feel, yeah. Long sleeve. I just got some pieces from maybe the box, like little shit, nothing big. Textured tunic in black and size 2X. Price is $49.50. So this one is a purple boat neck top. It's a simple purple tunic length, in my opinion, and it is okay. First, I thought it had a stain, but that's just my eyes. So that's the lighting playing on my eyes. Yep, I'm right. It is a boat neck tunic. I'm telling y'all, this girl right here is getting it back. And the original, the size is a 1X, and the original price is $39.50. Okay. Black. Is this a cardigan? Yes, it's a black cardigan. Nothing wrong with having a black cardigan in your closet. And this is a 2X, so this leads me to think it was returned in some way because the marker is blacked out at the top. I don't know what that's about. But it's a 2X, and the original price was $41.50. Okay, so this looks like a boat neck top as well, but it's a sweater. It's a size 3X by Style & Co. This is really neat. This is really pretty to me. Pair it with some jeans. It kind of has an ombre thing going, and it looks like it's maybe 3/4. So it looks like it would kind of be one of those sweaters that you might be able to pull off, jazzing it up with just like maybe a little off the shoulder, or one of them sweaters that when it's transitioning. Okay. This is a 3X. Again, it's by Style & Co. And the original price is $69.50. Now, this is the pièce de résistance. Ready? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, and this was actually the facing picture on the order. I was like, what? Do you see this? It is a fur jacket. Okay? Satin inside. by Alfani, size 2X. Let me show you how it looks on the back. You see that pattern? Do you see it? Child. Where is the tag? This joint gotta be like in the hundreds. Gotta be. I'll say a little on the 200s. Yep. So this is by Alfani, size 2X, and the original price $164.50. Wow. So I'm just gonna fold. This is the last item in the box, so I'm just gonna fold it back. Okay. Neatly. I'm gonna lay it neatly back in the box. Okay. So that was the last and final item in this box. I am pleased with everything that I got. Nothing was stained, wholly, or snagged. Everything is in new, pristine, ready to sell condition. In my opinion, I got this for a steal. I mean, you heard half those prices. They was over $50 a piece, and I only paid $150 for the whole box. So we talking about $6 each, and you heard those prices. I mean, the coat itself is like 6 times 12 almost, or more than that. Like, the coat itself is less than $200, and I got it for $6. Okay, so I am going to scan these items. I am going to do a listing video, okay, to see what can go to Amazon and what cannot go to Amazon, okay? What doesn't go to Amazon, I do have a eBay store, and I also have a Poshmark page, okay? So what doesn't go to Amazon will be going up on my Poshmark, and it will be going up in my eBay store, okay? So that's why I was being descriptive, because if it doesn't go to Amazon when you see the listing video, okay, then you know that you will still be able to get your hands on it if you want to on either one of my pages, which is going to be eBay or Poshmark. I will have them both linked in the listing video, okay? So I thank you for watching. Stay tuned to that listing video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.